Hi, this is Mark Edward Brown, and this is a spring wine unboxing video. All right, what I've got for you are two shipments of wine for the spring of 2023. I've got the boxes right here. Here's box number one. Here's box number two. I'll review these wines with you. You can see the unboxing right here with me. Let's dig into this. I'll open up this first box and we'll see what we have. The packing. All right, so the first bottle that we have here is a North Coast Rosé. It's called a Tanya. It's a great wine, especially if you like whites, or like that one is a rosé. It's got a real light, crispy, sweet taste. It's very, very good. This next one, this is a Nile Eddy. It's a California Pinot Noir, and this is an excellent wine. Any Nile Eddy that you can get is superb. Now, these are special wines. These are fine wines, so these aren't the kind of wines that you're gonna find in your local liquor store or wine shop. You're definitely not gonna find these wines on the shelf at your grocery store. This is the direct-to-consumer Fine Wine Club, and it's a Wine of the Month Club. It's the best out there. All right, so in each shipment, we get 4 different bottles of wine. It's an assortment, and we really like it. So this next one is a More Than Muse Sauvignon Blanc. As you can see, that's a white wine. Again, just a delicious wine, superb. And then finally, out of this box, we have a California Cabernet, and this is a Donna Walker edition. Very, very good. So 2 red wines and 1 white and 1 rose. Excellent. It's going to be great to taste them all. All right, let's get into the second box. All right, so here we have a California Malbec. This is a Deanna Young. This is one of the newer vintages. I've had this from the vineyard in Napa, and it is great. It's a red wine. It's sweet. It's very, very good. And let's see what the next one is. What do we have? Oh, yeah, this one, again, this is great. It's a California Pinot Noir Nile Eddy. So we had a Nile Eddy in the last box. We've got another Nile Eddy in this box. That's excellent. All right. We've got 2 to go. So, what do we have? This is another More Than Muse 2016 Sauvignon Blanc. Again, this is a white wine. Very good. We had a Sauvignon Blanc in the last box, which was white, and one in this box. So 2 of those also very good. And then finally, this is definitely one of my favorites. This is Parables in White. And this is a Chenin Blanc and Viognier. This is excellent. The Parables in White is one of my favorites. All right, so there you have it. Like I said, these are special wines. They don't have the types of preservatives that you find in wines that come off the shelf. It's a fine wine. This is from the Direct-to-Consumer Wine of the Month Club. It's my wife's and my favorite wines. If you have any questions about wines, or you want to learn some more wine education, I'd be happy to share more information with you. If you're ever in the area where we live, let me know. We'd be happy to have you come over and have a wine tasting with us. All right, if you have any questions, leave them below. Make sure that you like this video. Make sure you share it with some people that you know. And we'll see you again next time.